This 2018 Grand Design Solitude 375 Res is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Dover, Florida, 33527 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, rear entertainment. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.